Hi everyone, welcome to MEV Bot for Sale Solana Bot tutorial. It's a tutorial video on how our Solana MEV Bot works. In this video, we'll be showcasing a live demonstration of our advanced Solana bot. Before we begin, I just want to inform you that this is not a Telegram bot, a traditional token sniper, a sniping tool like Photon, or trading tools like Bullock's Neo, etc. Unfortunately, all the bots I mentioned are useless, and their hidden ridiculous fees make them even more so. It's an advanced bot built with more than 300 trading algorithms and deep learning AI. With this bot, everything is automated. It runs with mempool integration, and all you have to do is tweak a few setting options, fund the bot with Solana, and start it. That's it. The bot will perform all its operations automatically, including buying, selling, maximal extractable value, sandwich attacks, front running, and new token sniping. Let's keep it running. We have funded the bot with 100 SOL for this demo. However, you can fund it with whatever amount you want. There are no restrictions or any minimum deposit limit. It has already sent over 180 transactions, and the success rate is 93%. We will keep it running for a few minutes, and then we will see how much we have made and withdraw our profits. If you don't want to watch the full video, you can skip to the end to see how much we have made and the withdrawal for this section. Let's end this session and stop the bot to see our profit and withdraw the funds to our external wallet. The bot is stopped. Now let's click on the Withdraw Profits button. Wow. As you can see, we have 290 SOL. The bot started with 100 SOL, so we have made 190 SOL in profits. It's quite amazing. Let's provide our external Solana wallet address and withdraw the funds. By the way, we are going to hide our wallet address for some obvious reasons. As you can see, our funds have successfully been sent to our Phantom wallet. Thank you for watching.